Did you know that almost half of all fridge problems in India could be fixed with a little DIY? That's right, almost 50% of the time, you don't need an expensive technician. We work hard for our money. Don't waste it when a few simple tricks can get your fridge back in tip-top shape. Let's learn how to save some rupees and keep our food fresh. Many people think a broken fridge means a big bill. Not true. Most fridge troubles come from two easy-to-fix issues. Once you know what to look for, you'll be amazed how simple it is to be your own fridge repair person. So are you ready to become a fridge-fixing hero? Let's go! We love our fridges, but sometimes we accidentally make life hard for them. Two common mistakes can cause big problems: forgetting to clean the condenser coils and not insulating the refrigerant line properly. Those coils at the back of your fridge? They're like its lungs. Dust and dirt make them work too hard. And that cold air pipe? It needs a cozy jacket to work its best. Luckily, these problems are easy to solve. With just a few minutes and some simple supplies, you can have your fridge running like new. Let's dive into the solutions. Remember those dusty fridge lungs we talked about? Time to give them a good cleaning. First, unplug your fridge. Safety first, always. Now find the condenser coils. They're usually at the back or bottom of your fridge. Grab your vacuum cleaner and use the brush attachment to gently remove all that dust. That's it. This 30-second clean can prevent big problems and keep your fridge happy. Section 4. The 70 rupee fix. Keeping it cool without breaking the bank. Now let's give that refrigerant line a warm hug. You can find pipe insulation foam at any hardware store for about 70 rupees. Cut it to size and wrap it snugly around the exposed refrigerant line. This insulation helps the refrigerant flow efficiently, keeping your fridge cold and saving you money on your electricity bill. It's like giving your fridge a warm blanket on a cold night. Section 5. The secret reset button, like magic but better. Sometimes all your fridge needs is a little timeout. Find the defrost timer or button. It's usually inside the fridge near the temperature controls. Press and hold the button for 15 seconds. This will reset the defrost cycle and can solve many cooling problems. It's like restarting your computer when it's acting up. Easy and effective. Section 6. You did it. Now share the fridge fixing love. Congratulations. You've learned how to fix common fridge problems like a pro. You saved money, helped the environment, and kept your food fresh. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, share these tips with your friends and family. Let's start a fridge fixing revolution. In future articles, we'll tackle other common household problems. Do you have any appliance mysteries you'd like solved? Let us know. Together we can make our homes happier and healthier.